Oh!
I'm just losing myself. Like, he's got no balls on him. High notes.
Like your testicles, Black?
My smooth criminal.
That's what you call your testicles?
Yeah.
That's smooth as fuck. Almost criminal.
It is when people touch them. Because they're basically baby balls.
Baby balls. Balls.
Balls. Last time we did filming, I was the one fucking clapping.
You feel that scratch?
Brakence.
Did you feel that?
Yeah, I did.
Because I took skin. And it's mine now. And I will collect more.
Brakence. Rosier. Stripped down live. Stripped
How
down
anticlimactic, Belen.
What is a stripped
It's a
down?
Brakence
Like,
video.
the song
Breakers music. We ain't heard
naked.
people, I'd assume, people making suggestions about Breakers music. Hello there, Breakers fans. You are welcome here any day of the week.
We are also Brakence fans.
Yes, and I hope that this is good. I hope
love
your
this
recommendation is top notch. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
No,
You go
please,
ahead.
no. Did you say without further
Oh,
ado?
without further ado.
Did you see the cream?
The cherry.
No, the cream. No, it brings the cream. It makes it cream. Yeah, I'm excited for such things. We love him. So
Yeah.
yes.
We love it.
So, we love him. So
Beautiful, a bird just flew right behind you.
Turn it up.
what?
Turn it up.
Turn what up? Turn what up? I should
Love
sit.
the on top of a roof.
Think I'm dreaming. This isn't real. 'Cause you leave in a month and I'm fiending for something to feel. When you hold me, know you know me down to my core. This is the calm before the storm. You diverted attention away when I mention that someone else gon' need you. Now there's too many people that I have done wrong, and that I owe my thanks to for sticking along with me. Along with me.
Oh!
I'm just losing myself in his voice, to be fair.
Yeah, there's a lot of his voice is very clear all of the time through his singing. I find that so impressive. Trying to do a bit of it myself, I really can't do that with my voice.
I can
That's
feel the
incredible.
emotion through
Yeah,
singing.
that's a lot. A little bit too much on a. But I don't, because this is the stripped down live version of it.
Melancholy.
Yeah, maybe if you listen to it on Spotify or something, the beat's like different, man. It's like, and maybe it's a little bit more upbeat. That'd be cool as fuck, with like a little more spice. Add some time.
And I fell apart in that bed. What we built isn't me, won't put it back together again. I can't take back what I said. I just look through those messages I left on red, and I took you to Rosia 'cause I thought we could cope. We got out on the ocean and I fell out my boat and you calmed me back down and you gave me some hope, and I tossed that away for serotonin. Now there's too many people that I have done wrong, and that I owe my thanks to for sticking along with me. Along with
That was
me. Oh. No commitments, no commitments. No commitments, no commitments, no commitments, no no commitments, no commitments. I'm going to hell, you're going to heaven. It doesn't negate our holy connection. And next time I fly too close to the sun, I'm not gonna run, this shit was for fun. I left home, now I'm fucked up. Realized how much I loved ya. Oh goddamn life been a suck up. Now I'm just trying to get my luck up. All the pain went when you kissed me. We were 10 toes up, now I'm 6 feet down. Moved on, you don't need me now. Now I gotta figure me out. Oh, I gotta figure me out. Oh, yeah. Bitch, I'm up next. Fuck, boy, ain't a threat. Put a price on my head, won't sell my soul for a check. That's on God, that's on sound. You won't ever see me around. I'll be cooking up some shit that's gonna get me out this town.
That's a tough one. You could tell that his voice was straining towards the end there. It was like, that's a lot.
It's probably from like being so high up.
God damn.
And like whisper singing basically.
His brakence.
Talented motherfucker.
Yeah, he's one of my favorites.
Mine.
This is a bit too melancholy. The other version of the song on whatever platform I'll listen to it on has some more layers to it. As such, that brakence spice. The way he produces his music is truly inspiring. The vibe on top of the house, you know. No shoes.
So, like zooming into like the planes flying by and stuff. It's like golden hour.
I wonder how many times they did that.
Maybe it's one day.
Oh. Ooh. Like a sub, a comment, a ding dong ding until the next one. It's just gonna have to be some peace and love and peace and love and peace and love and peace and love and